Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the end of an era. Oh my goodness, my last trunk that I will be receiving, because if you didn't get the memo, Trunk Club is closing. Nordy's has just decided to give it the axe, which cue the sadness. This was my favorite subscription box. I loved these boxes, but in any event, we're gonna go through the last one. We are going to love on all these clothes. And of course, I will have everything I show you today listed and linked down below. So starting off with this top here, I'm sure you guys can see that my stylist knows how much I love neutrals, especially ivory tones. So she sent me this gorgeous puff sleeve blouse here. Now, I love all the feminine details on this. Oh my goodness, the lace inset around the collar. You have all this lace detail on the bodice that continues on the puff sleeve. And then she is just a very breezy 100% cotton. If you guys are new to my channel, I've been flipping synthetics out of my closet in favor of natural fibers, and cotton, organic cotton, and linen are my favorites. One word of warning as well, she's a little sheer, so you definitely want to be wearing nude undergarments underneath. My stylist is also well aware of the fact that my other obsession is white cotton dresses, so she sent me this one to try on. I thought this was super cute, especially the way they styled it online with a great pair of boots. But if you're looking for a timeless white cotton dress, highly recommend. This has such a beautiful feel, and again, with all that detail work, you have this embroidery that is running vertically down the bodice and the skirt, which is lined. She doesn't have pockets, but it does have this ruffle tiered skirt that hits about mid-thigh, and then you have this beautiful eyelet detailing at the bottom of the skirt. Oh my goodness, and that continues on the elbow area of the sleeve, which is a really nice touch. Nothing crazy going on in the back, but love the fact that you do have that gathering at the waist to give yourself some definition, and the buttons that you see are all functional. If ever there were a t-shirt that my little frugal heart is struggling with, it is this one here, you guys. Both my husband and I love this cotton Modal shirt. Oh my goodness. This is the softest cotton Modal combination I have ever had on my body. I don't know how they did it. I've tried on cotton Modal blends before and nothing compares to this. You guys, this is just so much fun. Love the varsity style. This is something I specifically wanted to wear with that pair of Levi's denim cutoff shorts, which you guys have seen 5,000 times, but I'm looking for very specific tops to wear with those shirts, with those shorts, and this shirt is definitely tempting me, although I gotta tell you, I think the price point is outrageous. So this might be one that I just take the plunge on because I love it a lot. I would wear the bejesus out of it, and I just think it is so cute, and like I said, it is super, super soft. Speaking of tops that are a little bit see-through, this next one definitely fits that bill, although I love the style of this. You guys, this, oh my goodness, was speaking to me in so many different ways. This ivory tone is just gorgeous. Obviously, she is a little bit cropped. You do have functional front buttons, but you can just pull this on over your head. Love that exaggerated scoop neckline, very summer inspired. And then again with the details, you have some gathering going on. You have this beautiful voluminous sleeve. Oh my goodness. But this was super fun to try on. It is a beautiful blouse. This next top, I knew right out of the gate I wasn't gonna like it because I have discovered that I do not like straps that tie at the shoulders. I don't care how many Pinterest videos online I see of how to make a beautiful bow out of a tie sleeve. I can never do it. So this for me is a hard pass, but if you are somebody who has mastered the art of tying a sleeve like this, check this top out. It is another 100% cotton option, and it's just really well made and pretty. Again, with all that eyelet detail, it's the perfect option to wear with a great pair of jeans, capris, pants, shorts, whatever the case may be. And then she does have a little bit of flounce, but it's not crazy. And then you do have some smocking in the back. This is a size, yeah, she just sent me a size small, so this does run true to size. But like I said, because I cannot master this situation up here, I'm not gonna be keeping this girl. Okay, so the other top that I am totally in love with is this one here. You guys, I specifically requested this because, again, this probably looks so simple to most of you, but I loved it because I am looking for just like relaxed, slouchier knits to again wear with that great pair of denim cutoff shorts. This definitely fit the bill. Love the fact that this is 100% cotton and you do have that dropped shoulder, which again just lends itself to the oversized, slouchy vibe of this top. But I love the fact that they went with a cuffed rib at the wrist, so that way you get some volume on the sleeve. It just has this super cool fit to it. And then you do have a little bit of a high-low situation, so you have some length in the back. It's not long enough to completely cover your derriere, but if you wanted to wear a top like this with a pair of leggings, you'd have ample coverage in the back to not feel uncomfortable. This is so comfortable on, and again, just love the oversized slouchy fit. My stylist sent me my normal size small, but I absolutely could size down to a size extra small if I wanted. I just want something that is kind of like I said, oversized. Okay, so next up, my stylist included this bodysuit here, which I love a bodysuit, especially with a great pair of high-rise shorts for the summertime. Love the gray color of this, and of course, this bodysuit in particular does come with a snap closure right in the gusset. And what I also appreciate is that they went with a thong back, which I prefer because honestly, when you're wearing a bodysuit, normally you're wearing a tighter or more form-fitted bottom, and who wants to deal with visible panty lines, which is never a good look for anybody. This is another super soft fabrication. It feels really, really nice on. And what's great about a bodysuit is you can layer it under a blazer. You can wear it with a great pair of pants. You can also wear it with a gorgeous skirt. I mean, the possibilities are absolutely endless. Okay guys, and one more clothing item to show you, and then we're gonna get into a pair of sandals. But again, knowing my love of white cotton dresses, my stylist sent me this one. This actually is very similar to a white cotton shirt dress I've had in my collection, honestly, since, oh my gosh, like 2009. That's how timeless a style like this can be. If you're looking to add a timeless white cotton dress to your collection that you can basically wear whether dressed up or casually, highly recommend you check this out. This has a beautiful classic fit to it. I mean, she is just absolutely stunning, and I love the fact that you do have the pockets. It just adds such a sweet vibe, and she is not lying. Now, when I tried this on for my husband, I just so happened to be wearing a black lingerie underneath, which I would never do in public, but he was like, you can totally see through that dress. So always keep that in mind when you are wearing white cotton. Your best bet is always nude undergarments. If you wear white undergarments underneath something that is white, you will see your lingerie. The key is always to stick with a nude color, something that matches your skin tone. Okay guys, and the final item for my final trunk club from Nordstrom is a pair of nude sandals. There was a certain style I had asked my stylist for, but they didn't have it, so she sent me these instead. These are super cute. Love the squared off toe. You have that beautiful block heel, so you're gonna get the height. I believe this is about 2.5 to 2 3/4 inches high, but what's nice is you do have that blocked heel, so it is gonna give you more stability versus something like a stiletto or a kitten heel. And then you do have these straps. This strap here does pull over your ankles, so these aren't going to slide off of your feet if that is a concern. It does have a rubber heel, which is going to add to your stability and hopefully keep you from slip sliding around. And then the lining of the shoe is also leather as well, which is a really nice touch. You guys, if you are looking to elongate your legs, if you want to look taller, if you want to look thinner, I'm telling you, the secret is a pair of nude shoes, especially a nude sandal, because normally in the summertime we're showing off some more leg. And what a nude shoe does is when you match the color of your skin tone, it just creates the illusion of a longer leg because it creates a seamless look from your torso down to your toe. It is like the best fashion hack of all times. So if you are looking to add a nude sandal to your summer collection, definitely check this one out. What I like most about it is the versatility. This is the type of sandal you can basically wear with anything. I mean, it's dressy enough that you could probably get away with it for your work environment if they do allow shoes like this. Of course, you can dress her up for a fun night out, and you can certainly wear her casually as well. Okay guys, so that'll do it for my last trunk club from Nordstrom. I still can't believe they're getting rid of this program. I am so sad to see it go, although I think my wallet is a little bit excited because that's one less temptation for me to contend with every month. But in any event, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!